Hi there, check out these blackout curtain rods, designed with seamless and strong inner threaded connectors for invisible joints. The wraparound design with curved ends blocks light completely, perfect for enhancing privacy and room darkening. Made from durable all-metal materials, these rods support heavy curtains up to 50 pounds with sturdy brackets and thick iron tubes. Their modern industrial matte black finish adds a sleek, elegant touch to any room decor. Installation is quick and easy with included hardware, suitable for both wall and ceiling mounting. Adjustable from 48 to 84 inches, they fit a variety of window sizes for versatile use. Enjoy a high-quality, reliable curtain rod that combines style, strength, and functional design. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.